Okay, here you go. I made my own custom table saw, my homemade table saw. That's right. I got my rigid circular saw. I cut a hole in this table here. That there, right there, is the piece that I cut out of there. I attached my rigid to that piece of wood there. And I made my own table saw. I used tie wire for the trigger on the table saw. Tie wire, that's tie wire right there on the floor. And then I hooked it up to this power surge with a trigger, with a that turns it on and off. All right.
Ah! Bro.
How?
I don't know.
Look at that. Not even an eighth of an inch. I got it nice and clean. My homemade table saw. Loving it, baby. Loving it. This is what I use for. This is my guide. I move it up whatever measurement I need to cut off of this. I only needed an eighth of an inch, less than an eighth of an inch. Probably a 16th I just cut off there. Nice, 16th of an inch. This was like an eighth of an inch. Now I got a fresh piece that's straight on both sides. My son's blunt.
Yeah.
Cut.
Do you want to pause it or end it?
Pause.